A reading from the Holy Gospel according to John. Many of the disciples of Jesus who were listening said, "This saying is hard. Who can accept it?" Since Jesus knew that his disciples were murmuring about these, he said to them, "Does this shock you? What if you were to see the Son of Man ascending to where he was before? It is the Spirit that gives life, while the flesh is of no avail. The words I have spoken to you are spirit and life, but there are some of you who do not believe." Jesus knew from the beginning the ones who would not believe and the one who would betray him. And he said to them, "For this reason I have told you that no one can come to me unless it is granted by him, by my Father." As a result of this, many of his disciples returned to their former way of life and no longer accompanied him. Then Jesus turned to the 12 and asked them, "Do you also want to leave me?" Simon Peter answered him, "Master, to whom shall we go? You have the words of eternal life. We have come to believe and are convinced that you are the Holy One of God." My dear friends, this is the gospel of the Lord.